Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your LG K42, at the first you have to open notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon, and then click and hold it. Okay, it opened automatically, so never mind. Then on the second device, click on the Bluetooth icon and click and hold it to enter the settings. Right now we have to wait until this phone pops here, or the other device that you want to connect, and here it is. So just simply tap on the device that you want to connect. Right now just accept all the permissions. So just click on the pair. And as you can see right now, our smartphones are paired, and we can easily send data or other stuff between them. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.